Let's get real for a minute. Most preppers focus on food, water, and power, but there's a huge blind spot: your psychological well-being. Without that, all the ammo and beans in the world won't keep you resilient. Today's video is built on guidance from FEMA, the Red Cross, and mental health experts. So, this isn't just my opinion. We're breaking down 15 comfort items every serious survivalist should be stockpiling. These aren't luxury add-ons, they're shelf-stable, budget-friendly, and practical for all ages, even pets. If you don't have at least 5 morale boosters in your stash, you're leaving a critical gap in your preparedness. Let's fix that together, one item at a time. First up, instant coffee. Instant coffee stores almost indefinitely if you keep it dry and sealed. In a grid-down scenario, just the smell alone can lift your spirits and kickstart your morning. That caffeine jolt helps keep you alert and focused. It's not just about energy, it's about comfort and routine when everything else is upside down. Even if you aren't a daily coffee drinker, having it on hand for barter or guests can make a big difference. Instant coffee is light, compact, and easy to stash. No fancy equipment needed. Bottom line, stockpile it for cheap, and it might just be the morale anchor you need. Next, let's talk about wool socks. Cold, wet feet can kill morale faster than just about anything. Wool socks provide warmth, wick moisture, and stay fresher longer thanks to natural antibacterial properties. Pulling on a clean, warm pair at the end of a brutal day is a game changer. They last for years, dry fast, and don't take up much space. In a barter situation, good socks have real value. People will trade for comfort. Stock up for every member of your household. Warm feet mean higher morale. Now, let's get into physical books. When screens go dark, books become priceless for entertainment and distraction. Getting lost in a good story can be a lifesaver for your mental health. For kids, picture books and coloring books are vital for comfort and routine. Educational materials keep kids learning when schools are closed. For adults, practical guides on gardening or first aid can be game changers. Sharing books builds community and keeps everyone engaged. Stock a range: fiction, non-fiction, survival manuals, and fun reads. Hygiene isn't glamorous, but it's vital for morale. Being able to wash your hands, brush your teeth, or wipe down with a clean cloth does wonders for your outlook. Simple hygiene routines restore a sense of control and dignity. Pack extra soap, toothbrushes, toothpaste, feminine hygiene products, and wipes. A clean face and hands can reset your mood after a tough day. Don't forget deodorant, nail clippers, and toilet paper. When you can't shower, dry shampoo and baby wipes bridge the gap. In a barter scenario, hygiene items can be worth their weight in gold. When times are tough, a little treat can change your whole day. Comfort foods like chocolate, hard candies, and shelf-stable snacks are real morale boosters. Choose items with long shelf lives: canned pudding, honey, protein bars, or powdered drink mixes. Store them away from your daily rotation so you're not tempted to eat them all at once. In a crisis, break out these treats for milestones or to lift spirits. Kids' favorites and elders' treats matter too. Comfort foods also make great barter items. Demand goes through the roof in stressful times. When you're stuck indoors, morale can tank fast. Playing cards and travel-size games are a proven fix. A simple deck of cards is all you need for dozens of games. Board games and travel editions bring people together and distract from stress. In group survival, laughter is medicine. Even solo, patience games and puzzles keep your mind occupied. Choose games for all ages, and laminate instructions for durability. Extra decks or sets are great trade goods. Never underestimate the power of play. Don't overlook the value of notebooks and pens. Journaling is a proven stress reliever. It lets you process fears and plan ahead. In a crisis, writing things down prevents mistakes and keeps communication clear. Use notebooks for inventory, recipes, or vital information. Creative expression matters. Sketch, doodle, or write stories. For kids, coloring books and crayons are a must. Don't forget backup pens and pencils. In a barter situation, a good pen and fresh notebook might be more valuable than you think. Now, let's not forget our pets. Dogs and cats feel stress just like humans do, and comfort items help them cope. Pack extra treats, favorite toys, and familiar bedding. Stockpile shelf-stable treats, dehydrated chews, biscuits, or catnip. Rotate toys to keep pets engaged and calm. For older animals, soft bedding or special treats help them feel secure. In long-term situations, pet treats can also become barter items. Their comfort is part of your overall morale plan, not an afterthought. Kids are especially vulnerable to stress during emergencies. Their comfort items, stuffed animals, favorite blankets, coloring books, are essential for emotional stability. Pack extras of everything. Backups prevent meltdowns. Familiar foods and drinks help maintain routines. Coloring books, crayons, and simple toys keep kids occupied and distracted. Don't forget sleep aids, nightlights, special pillows, or a favorite storybook. In a group, sharing toys and activities helps kids bond. Resilient kids mean less stress for adults. Take their needs seriously. Blankets are an old-school morale booster. Wool or heavy fleece blankets are durable, warm, and easy to store. Blankets provide both physical warmth and a sense of safety. Everyone should have at least one personal blanket. In group shelters, a good blanket marks your personal space. Blankets can double as makeshift beds, shawls, or privacy screens. Don't overlook emergency blankets, but always have real blankets for long-term comfort. Scent is powerful. Scented candles or essential oils can totally shift the mood of a room. Lavender for calming, peppermint for alertness, or just the warm glow of a candle. These help manage stress. They also cover up unpleasant smells in a shelter or bunker. Candles serve double duty: light and morale. Essential oils are easy to store and last for years. For kids, a familiar scent can make an unfamiliar space feel like home. Remember fire safety, but don't skip this category. Your nose and mind will thank you. Chewing gum and mints don't take up much space, but they pack a punch. A stick of gum or a mint can curb hunger, freshen breath, and give a tiny energy boost. In high-stress situations, chewing gum is proven to lower anxiety and help with focus. Gum and mints have a long shelf life and are popular with all ages. For kids, gum is a treat and a distraction. For elders, mints help with dry mouth or nausea. These little morale boosters are great for sharing and trading. Add a few packs to your next grocery run. You'll be glad you did. Music is powerful medicine. A simple music player, MP3, iPod, or battery-powered radio can lift spirits and calm nerves. When the world goes silent, your favorite songs are a lifeline. Load up playlists for every taste, and don't forget spare batteries or a solar charger. Even a few minutes of music can turn a bad day around. In group shelters, music encourages community. For individuals, it's a private escape. If you play an instrument, add a harmonica or ukulele to your kit. Download songs and keep your device offline ready. Music is a morale booster you don't want to be without. Long periods of downtime are tough. Board games and puzzles keep minds active and spirits high. Choose compact games, travel chess, checkers, dominoes, or card-based games. Jigsaw puzzles are great for solo or group play. Games and puzzles offer structure and routine, keeping boredom at bay. For kids, games teach cooperation and patience. For adults, strategy games distract from stress. Rotate games to keep things fresh and bag pieces for durability. Board games are excellent barter items. People crave entertainment in crisis. Our last category is barterable morale items, tobacco, alcohol, or spices. Even if you don't use them, having a stash can open doors when you need something you don't have. Tobacco and alcohol are always in demand and store well. Spices, salt, pepper, hot sauce, make bland survival food bearable. Barterable morale items give you flexibility. Store them safely and keep them away from kids. Barter isn't just about survival, it's about improving quality of life when every little bit counts. Prepping isn't just about staying alive, it's about staying sane. Psychological resilience is every bit as critical as physical.